Good morning everyone. Today we are here to learn distance formula of coordinate geometry. So before solving any problems or any solutions, we have to know the formula of distance. So the formula of distance that we also known it is by D is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root over. So it is a formula of distance. So by this formula we can easily solve any problems of distance formula of coordinate geometry. So for example, how can you know this that it is a x2 and it is a x1? So let me give you an example of here. Here a equal to 5 comma 2, b equal to 6 comma 7. So look at here, this a equal to 5 comma 2 and b equal to 6 comma 7. Look at this first one here, a 5 comma 2 equal to, this is we have to know it as this 5 1 and this first one is x1 and this second is y1. So here x1 is 5 and y1 is 2. So we write as here x1 equal to 5 and y1 equal to 2. After that we have to find out also x2 and y2 from this example. So look at here, b is 6 comma 7. So here we write this 5 as a x1 and this 2 as a y1. So similarly here we also write this 6, this second one, as x2 and this 7 as y2. So this x2 is 6 and y2 is 7. So let me write here that x2 is 6 and y2 is 7. So for example, this is x1 y1 and x2 y2. How to find distance formula by this example we'll learn today here from through this example. So look at here, we our question said that find out the distance from this AB. You have to find out the distance for this from these 2 points A and B. So look at here, we write AB or also D equal to, first we have to write this formula. So look at here, I'm going to write so this is a formula of distance formula. So here we can see x2 is our here 6, so we have to write the 6 and x1 is 5, so we have to write 5. We have to just put on the value, and here y2 is 7, we know here, and y1 is 2, so whole square, and as it is we have to write. After that we have to simplify this. So my dear friends, you know how to simplify this? Yes. So 6 minus 5 is 1 square, we have to write. Now this we can also write whole square or 1, that's why here is only one number, that's why we only write 1 square, plus here 7 minus 2, 7 minus 2 subtract, yes it is 5 square, and after root we have to write root over. Okay, and you can also see 1 square is 1 and 5 square means 5 into 5. So 5 into 5, 2 times 5. So 5 5s are 25. So we have to write here 25. So 25 plus 1, we have to write this. After that you can also use the calculator, and if you don't have calculator then you can also solve it here. 26, we have to factorize this. So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, so 13 into 2 26. After that it has no uses, so 2 into 13. So we can't factorize it, that's why, because there is no square and it can't be called, that's why we write as it is. So 26 is the distance between A and B. So are you clear on this example? Yes. So let me give you another example. You can look at here question. If A minus 1 comma 2, b is 1 comma 6 and 4 comma 2 are 3 vertices of a triangle, so that triangle ABC is a isosceles triangle. So look at here. So first let me draw a triangle. So let me draw a triangle. Okay, here I had forgotten C to write, so I am going to write here C. And let me draw a triangle that you can be clear. So this triangle name is, you can show triangle ABC. So triangle A B and C. After that, A vertices. This is a vertices of a triangle. How many vertices are there in the triangle? Yes, of course, 3. So A is here minus 1 comma 2. We have to write there. And B is of course 1 comma 6. And C is last one is 4 comma 2. So these we all express it in a figure. If you know the figure, if you know how to express these types of question in figure, then half of your problem will be solved. Now look at here. We have to express this triangle ABC is an isolation triangle. But how? Yeah. So look at here. I'm going to solve this example. Answer. So look at here. First, the vertices of a triangle ABC is A comma minus 1 here, B here 1 comma 6, and C is 4 comma 2. These all are vertices of triangle ABC. After that, we have to find out distance of AB from B to C and from A to C. So first we have to find out the distance of for the length of side AB. So look at here. I'm going to write for the length of side AB. So you can also say the distance, but we are going to write length here because we have to find out the length. So look at here. So AB, A is what? Minus 1 comma 2 and B is 1 comma 6. So I had already taught you that this one is x1 here and this is y1. And here this first one is x2 and second one is y2. So are you clear on this? Yes. So let's move ahead. So the length or the distance from A to B is equal to, I have to write the distance formula I had already so here. So please write down that formula. X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root over we have to write, okay? So here x2 is 1, x1 is minus 1, so minus we have to put down in a bracket. So now whole square we have to put down, okay? And y2 is 6 and y1 is 2. So 6 minus 2, okay? We have to solve now this. So here my 1 and minus became plus. So no, so 1 whole square plus 6 minus 2, 4 whole square. So 112 square plus 4 4 16 we have to write. After that you can show here 2 square is means 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 4 plus 16. So it became 20. Am I right? After that 20 think it is a square of anything? No. So we have to multiply. You can see here I'm going to give example. So you have to factorize it. 2 10s are 20, 2 5s are 10. So here 2 into 2 into 5. We write here 2 into 2 into 5. So look at here now. So 2 into 2. If here is 2, then we have to take this 2 common outside of the root and we have to write this 5 as it is. So are you clear? Yes, in this. So our AB equal to, I have to write 2 root 5. Are you clear on that? Yes. So it's time to find, we have already find this side. Now we have to find B from B to C distance. So let me find here. Here. Look at. This is our question I have told you. Now I have to find B and C. B and C. So we have to write for length of side BC. So look at here. Our B is 1 comma 6. So we write B 1 comma 6 is as a x1 and y1. So my dear friends, you had know that it is a x1 and this is a y1. And after that 4 comma 2 C is 4 comma C, because we have to find BC, the length of side BC. So B is here, you can see 4 comma 2. So this is a x2 and y2. After that, all this we have to solve as it is. So let me solve it. We have to write the distance formula. This is the distance formula. And our x2 is 4, x1 is 1. We have to just simplify it. 3 square is 3 into 3, minus 4 into minus 4 is became 16. So look at here. 9 plus 16 became 25, and obviously 25 is the square root of 5, because 5 into 5 became 25. After that, it is a 5 units we have to write here. So therefore BC equal to 5 units. Now it's a turn of find the length of AC. From A to C we had already find AB and also find BC. Now it's turn of AC. So let us find on the same way. So right here, for the length of side AC. So look at here. We can show it here in your question. A is minus 1 comma 2. So write here A minus 1 comma 2 as a x1 and y1. After that, here is C is 4 comma 2. So we have to write C 4 comma 2 as a x2 and y2. After that, we have to find distance of AC as same as we have done in two similar AB. To find AB and to find BC, we have to also find AC. So AC equal to, I have to write distance formula that I had already told you. So look at here. Our distance formula looks like this. Root over, we don't have to leave that root because this is a distance formula of distance. So x2 is 4, x1 is minus 1. So we will put here minus because minus minus multiplies, and if we only write minus, it will be mistake. So here it is a whole square we have to write. After that, y2 is 2. So we have to write 2, and y1 is 2. So we have to write this like this. Okay, so here you don't have to use curly bracket because we had take this bracket and this bracket from here. So are you clear in this? So look at here, minus minus plus, so 4 plus 1 we have to write. After that, square we have to, this is whole square, not the square of minus 1. We have just taken this bracket, not this bracket, and 2 minus 2 0, and we have to put the square. Okay, and root also. So 4 plus 5 9 square, and 0 square is 0. After that, 9 and 9, you can look at here, 9 and 9 became 81. So 81 plus 0 we have to write. So 81, and 81 is the square root of which number? Yes, it is a square root of 9. So here friends, you can look at here, here minus 1 square, so we have to write here 1. There is a 1 mistake, so you have to write this here 1. Okay, so 4 plus 1 we have to write 5 square plus 0. Okay, so 5 square is 25 plus 0. So 25 plus 0 is equal to 25, and 25 is the root square of 5. So look at here, we have to write is a units because it is distance is written on the unit. So AC equal to 5 units. So let's went to the question now. Here, look at him. We have to show that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. So triangle ABC is a. So let's see now that it is an isosceles triangle or equilateral triangle or scalene triangle. Yes. So I think you had already know it. So look at here. Here AB equal to 2 root 5. So we write here 2 root 5. After that, here BC. BC equal to, here we had find 5 units. So we write here 5 units. And here AC we have find out 5 units. Also here you can show here 5 units we have. So we have to write here also 5 units. So look at here now. 2 root 5, 5 units and 5 units. That means this and these sides are equal. AC equal to BC. So is this isosceles triangle? Yes, of course. So because the two sides, firstly we have to know what is isosceles triangle. So you know, I think, because the sides, if in any triangle the sides of two sides are equal, then it is said to be isosceles triangles. And here two sides are equals, 5 units and 5 units. That's why in hence we have to write in last, hence BC equal to AC equal to 5 units. That means here BC is also 5 units and AC is also 5 units. So it is a isosceles triangle. So you can show it. We can easily solve these types of question step by step. Firstly, we know that we must know the distance formula, then we can easily solve this. We had solved this, and after this AB length, then length of BC, and then length of AC, and after that we compare all these 3, 1, 2, 3 and easily find out the answer. So this much for today. We will meet in next video. Thank you for watching.